Hello, and welcome to my channel, Shrapnel's Workshop. Today's video is a little bit different, no crafting today. Instead, I'm going to be taking each one of the slingshot guns that I've made in previous videos, and I'm going to be testing them out against a variety of different targets. So if you enjoy this, please make sure to subscribe, so as I can continue to do videos much like this one in the future. Okay, so first up we have the slingshot pistol that I made. This one's design takes inspiration from the .22 silenced Ruger. Okay, so I'm not going to show the state of the hanging can because we'll look at that after we've had the chance to shoot it with all of the different slingshot guns. But as you can see, first shot, that's the exit, and then the second shot, I sort of just grazed the top of the pair. As for the steel can, you can see there was no penetration, but having said that, this is actually a really thick steel can as well, so yeah, not bad. Next up is the Slingshot SMG. This one's design is based after the SMG from Halo 3 ODST. Okay, so that was the first shot there, the smaller hole at the top, and it's kind of hard for you to see, but the shot came out of that sort of split there in the apple. Then the larger hole at the bottom, that was the second entry point, and that was the second exit point there. As for the can, that there was the first shot. It didn't go through, and that was the second shot because the can wasn't weighed down with water, it just dented it. Okay, this one's design is based off of a Mossberg pistol grip pump action shotgun. So I don't think any of the rounds went through. I think most of them got stuck halfway inside. Let's get the damage here. That was the first shot there. Sort of split the can and dented it. And the second shot hit really high, but still managed to dent it pretty good. Okay, this next slingshot gun is based off of the design of the rifle from the TV series The Mandalorian. Okay, so I think both of the shots that I got in the same melon were quite high. That one went pretty deep, and that one sort of just scarred it. The apple is the entry point there, and that's the exit point there, sort of tore it apart. And then the can, it was filled to the brim with water, in here, out there. Now, last but not least, this slingshot gun is based off of the design of an M4 marksman rifle. It has got a magnetic collapsible cheek rest, a bipod, and an optical sight to make aiming much easier. Okay, so the melon round went right in here and out the back here. Round on this one went in there and out there. No surprises there. That was obviously more of an accuracy test than anything. And then with the steel can, I hit it quite high again, so it dented it and sort of split it there, but it didn't go through because the can sort of spun off more. Okay, let's check out the hanging can. Okay, so there was no real penetration on the hanging can, which is quite, normal, I suppose. I mean, it can move around quite a lot, so it's difficult to get any penetration with it. But a lot of heavy dents. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully you've all enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to leave a like and maybe also a comment. Please subscribe so as I can continue to do videos much like this one in the future. Each one of the slingshot guns that you've seen in this video has actually got its own time-lapsed crafting video, so feel free to check that out if you like. Once again, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you all in the next video.